Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are thrilled to bring you exciting news about the cutting-edge Noise Lunar Ring. This smart ring is set to redefine the world of wearable technology in India with its sleek form factor and advanced features. So let's dive right in. The Noise Lunar Ring is all about elegance and durability. According to the company, it boasts an ultra-lightweight and sleek 3mm form factor that feels comfortable on your finger. Made from fighter jet grade titanium material, the Lunar Ring is designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. But that's not all. The diamond-like coating adds an extra layer of protection, making this ring scratch and corrosion resistant, ensuring a robust build quality. One size doesn't fit all, so Noise offers the Lunar Ring in 7 different sizes and 5 elegant colors. Plus the company claims that it's perfect for every skin type, thanks to its hypoallergenic smooth inner shell. The Lunar Ring is equipped with an impressive array of advanced sensors. We are talking about infrared PPG sensors, skin temperature sensor and 3-axis accelerometer. These sensors are cleverly integrated into a flexible rim along with a battery design that supports convenient wireless charging. This not only ensures a seamless fit but also enables exceptional health tracking capabilities. Now let's talk about what the Lunar Ring can do for your well-being. It helps you stay in tune with your body by monitoring 3 core scores daily: sleep, readiness, and activity. The sleep score provides insight into your sleep patterns and offers personalized recommendations to optimize your nightly rest. Meanwhile, the readiness score takes into account key body signals, giving you a holistic overview of your health. And the activity score, decoded through the 3-axis motion sensor, tracks your activity level and recovery, offering invaluable insights for a healthier lifestyle. The Lunar Ring goes beyond the basics. Its temperature sensor continuously measures your body temperature, influenced by factors like diet, exercise, physiological states, and hormones every 5 minutes. Combining these responses with constant readings of heart rate and SpO2, the Lunar Ring derives a core health score, giving you a deeper understanding of your overall well-being. Staying connected is essential, and the Lunar Ring ensures that you are always up to date. It offers automatic firmware updates, keeping you at the forefront of technology. And when it comes to compatibility, it's got you covered. The Lunar Ring works with iOS 14 and Android 6 or above thanks to its Bluetooth Low Energy technology. Whether you're swimming or just washing your hands, the Lunar Ring is designed to keep you with your activity lifestyle. It is water resistant up to 50 meters. Plus, the impressive 7 days battery life ensures that you can rely on your Lunar Ring to be by your side every step of the way, even on busy days. And there you have it, folks. The Noise Lunar Ring, a perfect blend of style and functionality, ready to transform your health tracking experience. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Goodbye.